Are you tired of making offers that just don't seem to convert? Have you ever wondered what it takes to create an irresistible, no-brainer offer that people can't resist? Well, look no further, because in this video, we're going to be breaking down all of the components of an irresistible offer. We'll be talking about the 5 components of an irresistible offer, the new price, bonuses, urgency, scarcity, and a guarantee or risk reversal. And we'll be using an example of selling a TV to show you each component and how, when added to an offer, can make it more persuasive. We'll also be discussing how to craft your offer over time, especially if you're starting out in your agency and you don't have the resources for the components of it just yet. You can still make your offer more irresistible by adding bonuses, creating a price variable, and injecting urgency or scarcity into your offer. So if you want to learn how to make an offer so good that people would feel stupid saying no to it, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, here's some recommendations for you. First of all, Perry Belcher. Perry Belcher is one of the godfathers of the direct response industry, in my opinion. One of the best direct response marketers out there. I love his stuff a hell of a lot. Perry Belcher, if you haven't heard of him yet, go and get hold of anything you can from Perry Belcher. He's amazing. It's a great place to start when coming up and building offers. Secondly, and you've probably heard of this guy, Alex Hormozi, and his book, $100 Million Offers. This book came out in 2021, I think, or maybe it was 2022, and I believe it's one of the best investments I've ever made. This book is so good. Can't even explain to you how good it is. It will explain in detail how to craft offers. Do yourself a favor and get Alex Hormozi's book. It will cost you literally like $10, 10 quid or whatever, and it's one of the best investments you can make. Purchase the book and also listen to the audio if you can as well. He reads it. It's brilliant. In the book, he says, and it's actually the subhead of the book, make them an offer so good they feel stupid saying no to it. And that's really how you summarize what a great offer for a product or service should have. The offer should be so good that they genuinely feel stupid saying no to it. So anyway, let's crack on with the video and get into the irresistible offer. First of all, what are the components of an irresistible offer? What makes up one of those offers? I'm going to be talking about it in this video. There are 5 main components, I believe, that make up a really good, irresistible, no-brainer offer. The first one is price, or the new price, should we say, a discount. The second is bonuses. The third is urgency. The fourth is scarcity. And lastly, a guarantee or a risk reversal. Now, the example I'm going to use to prove this point to you is a TV. I'm going to try and sell you a TV, okay? It's a product offering, and I'm going to be selling you a TV. It's the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV, and it's £499. Now, what most people do when they make an offer is that they do just that. They say, here's the product, here's the price, do you want it? And then what happens is there is no real sort of reason why that person would want to buy the TV now. The offer starts like this. This is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV, and it's £499. Do you want it? The first part of an irresistible offer, like I said, we're going to have to add some sort of comparison price, some sort of discount, variable where someone can see that the price was this and now it's this, or it is this and will soon be this. So now we're going to introduce the discount price. And let's just see how much better the offer already sounds. This is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV. It was £599 and is now only £499. Do you want it? Already, there's a much bigger subconscious pull towards wanting that TV because you're getting a deal. Human beings, for the most part, want a deal. They all want to know they're getting a fair price for the thing that they're buying. Now, let's go a step further and add in the second component of an irresistible offer with a bonus. A bonus of some sort. Bonuses are massively powerful, whether you're selling TVs, whether you're selling info products, or you're selling services. Whatever it is you're selling, adding something else into the mix is very, very powerful. This, in the infomercial world, has been going on for decades, all right? You know, when you buy like a Wonder Broom, you're also going to get a load of other crap gadgets that go along with it, okay? It's a sweetener. It's a way to sweeten the deal. Now let's hear what the offer sounds like when we inject a bonus into the mix. This is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV. It was £599, but now it's only £499. If you buy today, you'll also get this Samsung soundbar worth £149 absolutely free. Do you want it? Already, the offer is way more valuable. The offer has become that little bit more irresistible for the person now. You can see how it started and how the offer is now. It is way more persuasive, adding more actual value in the mind of the buyer, increasing the need to actually buy it. Now let's inject some urgency. Let's see what it sounds like now when we inject some urgency. Urgency is one of the most powerful psychological things that you can add into an offer. Human beings will act when it is their last chance, when they know it's the last time they can do it. It's a massively powerful influencer when making a buying decision. Let's see what this offer sounds like now when we inject some urgency into it. This is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV. It was £599, now is only £499. If you buy today, you will also get this soundbar worth £149 absolutely free. This offer is only available until the 25th of December. Do you want it? Now we have a deadline, we have urgency, we have a big reason to buy now, okay? Good. Now, the next one, which is very, very similar to urgency in terms of the psychological influence it will have over the buying decision, is scarcity. Scarcity is unit-based. Urgency, think time. Think of a clock. Time is running out. Scarcity, we have a number or certain amount of units, okay? We only have a certain amount. Very, very similar in psychology. When you add one into your offer, you will see an increase in conversion. If you can have both of them in an offer, you'll see an even bigger bump in conversion. This is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV. It was £599, but now is only £499. If you want to buy it today, you'll also get the Samsung soundbar worth £149 absolutely free. This offer is only available until December 25th or until stocks last. Do you want it? So you could even say there's only 50 available, right? I've just put it in there until stocks last. But again, much, much more irresistible now than what the original offer was when we started, all right? A TV for £499. This is building the power of influence over the buyer's decision in the buyer's brain. Now let's add in the final component, and probably one of the most powerful components of any offer, if you can get it in there, which is the guarantee. A risk reversal. In people's mind, when they're making a buying decision, they are always thinking, what if this doesn't work? What if they're lying? What if the promise that you're making doesn't come true for me? You're promising me this many leads, for example, or this many sales, or this many leads from your agency. What if it doesn't happen? So a guarantee or a risk reversal handles this objection in the mind of the client. In a TV example, it's really easy, right? Normally it's a warranty or something like that. So now let's see how it sounds in full with every component of the irresistible offering. This is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV. It was £599, but now it's only £499. If you buy today, you'll also get this Samsung soundbar worth £149 absolutely free. This offer is only available until December 25th or until stocks last. It also comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can return it back to us for a full refund. Do you want it? How much powerful is that from when we first started out? When we first started out, we literally just said, this is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV and it's £499. Do you want it? Now it's, this is the new Samsung UHD 60-inch TV. It was $599, now $499. Price drop. If you buy today, you also get the soundbar bonus. It's only available until December 25th. Urgency. Or until stocks last. Scarcity. It also comes with a 100% money back guarantee. Guarantee risk reversal. Okay? Do you want it? Okay, can you see how much of a no-brainer now that is compared to when we started? Make them an offer so good they feel stupid saying no to it. And this works with any of your offers that you're doing right now. If you're running an offer in an agency, for example, like us, what you've got to try to do is craft an offer over time. Because if you're just starting out in your agency, you can't add a lot of that stuff in because you haven't got it yet. The guarantee, for example, you can't guarantee your results yet. So you've got to try to involve your offer. Evolve your offer over time. So you have a little think about all of the components that you can put into an irresistible offer and see which ones you can inject into yours. Can you add in some sort of bonus if they buy or if they hire you, for example? Can you create a price variable in the minds of the client so that they can see a comparison of a high price against a lower price? Can you inject some sort of urgency or scarcity in there? Lastly, if you can add it in, a guarantee or a risk reversal, which will handle the objection in the client's mind of, what if this doesn't work for me? To summarize, all of these components of an irresistible offer, any single one of them added to your offer, whatever it is that you offer, you will see an increase over time in conversions and sales. The question is, which components can you put in to your offer? Remember, there's 5 main components that make up that irresistible offer. 1 is some sort of price comparison. 2 is some sort of bonus. 3, urgency. 4, scarcity. And 5, a guarantee or risk reversal. Well, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Listen, if you want to check out some more of my videos, make sure you do that by clicking here or there. I don't know where the videos are going to show up. Make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. We bring digital marketing education like this to you twice a week. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time we do. Leave me a comment in the comments below as well. And let me know which parts of the irresistible offer you think you might be able to inject into your offer. My name's Matt Wilson, and I'll see you in the next video.